Industry today is operating at a very fast pace. Minimizing production costs and downtime is becoming more and more important. Disruptions in production can result in tremendous losses of revenue for the company concerned. Today, Skandinavisk Ytfo helps companies in several countries to prevent this from happening. Through an analysis of the conditions through which new and used machine parts operate, it is possible to determine the most suitable way of improving and, as a consequence, increasing the lifespan of the machine parts in question. We have considerably long experience of choosing the right material for the right production conditions, and as a consequence, we're able to find successful solutions already on the first attempt. It could be a matter of increased durability, increased heat resistance, improved corrosion resistance or similar, all of which ultimately contributing towards cost savings and longer service intervals. This is the business idea of Skandinavisk Ytfo. Ever since 1988, Skandinavisk Ytfo has been actively involved in increasing the durability and corrosion resistance of pressure rollers, lengthening the lifespan of machine parts used in the production of cheese doodles, as well as the ceramic-coated pistons found on submarine torpedoes. Customers choose us because we supply components that work and, according to their wishes, have a longer lifespan. We also supply these components on time and in the right dimensions. I believe that customers choose us above other companies because of our greater experience where surface coatings are concerned. The surface finish and reconstruction of warm parts can be carried out in different ways, either by special welding, where the warm part is built up through the welding process, or by thermal spraying. In both cases, Skandinavisk Ytfo uses materials supplied by world-leading manufacturers. In the thermal spraying process, advanced spraying equipment is used that is either maneuvered by hand or robotically. To a great extent, thermal spraying involves melting a filler metal in thread or powder form and then spraying it onto the machine part. Different characteristics are obtained to the surface finish depending on the type of material used. We have a customer with a machine that manufactures car windows. In this machine there are rollers on which the windows roll along. They come out hot from the furnace and they heat up the rollers, causing them to deform. As a result, marks are left on the glass surface. However, by applying a heat-resistant ceramic surface material to the rollers, they remain straight and no damage is done to the windows. This particular application has enabled the company to make in excess of 3 million Swedish krona in 1 year. For further processing, specially adapted machines are used for the cutting and grinding work, producing very fine surfaces with a high degree of accuracy. The company is environmentally certified according to ISO 14000 and everything that entails. However, we also consider that our work involving surface finish applications to machine parts contributes towards improving the environment, as it enables the components to be used many times longer. As a consequence, we're saving natural resources through reducing the manufacture of new components and recycling old ones. It is in this way that we're making the greatest contribution towards the environment. No job is considered too difficult for Skandinavisk Ytfo. Developing new solutions to difficult repetitious work and maintenance problems is a challenge that the company enjoys and is ultimately reflected through its customers. This year alone we have had 45 new customers, which means that throughout the years we have acquired approximately 500 customers who we are working together with. It is not a matter that is given much consideration, but machine parts such as these can mean a lot to you as a consumer. The fact that these components function is an important cog in the wheel of the manufacturing process for much of that which we use in our everyday lives. In order to keep the consumer satisfied, industry must be able to deliver at a high pace. With the assistance of Skandinavisk Ytfo, it is able to do just that and at the same time save money.